So I will present my philosophical paper entitled Motivation and Freedom of the Will. The philosophical question, what truly guides the freedom of the human will? Are we determined by motivations or do we remain free to choose and act beyond them? In this paper, I answer that motivation does not determine the human will, but it serves as a guiding factor. Motivation gives direction to our choices, but it never forces us to act. In this idea, Alexander Feinder's phenomenology of willing, which views motives as meaningful reasons rather than mechanical causes. Main points. First, motives presents possibilities for action. It gives or shows us what we can do, but it does not dictate what we must do. Second, freedom is the process of knowing and taking responsibility over motives. We should respond to them consciously rather than acting randomly. Third, motives creates an openness of meaningful possibilities. It guides our freedom by revealing choices. It reveals our values and goals without removing our power to choose or act what we want. One objection says that if motives only guides, then freedom might become random or it might lack justification. One argues that social and cultural forces shapes our motives which limits our freedom. Another critic claims that Feinder's view is too focused on personal experiences, ignoring social factors that influences our choices. My answers. First, motives are not random. They are meaningful reasons that guides our freedom with purpose. Second, social and cultural forces may shape our motives, but does not remove freedom. People have the ability to accept or reject these motives. Third, Feinder's view can expand to include social factors of freedom, showing that responsibility is both personal and shared. To sum up, motivation and freedom are deeply connected. Motives guides the will towards good and meaningful actions, while freedom allows us to choose what's right. Even if motives are strong, the will remains free to decide. This relationship between motivation and freedom preserves human dignity, showing us that our choices are guided by meaningful reasons and it is not determined by causes. And that would be all. Thank you.